Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as we all know that Afghanistan has been captured by Taliban. It's sad how an entire generation of Afghans have lost their future and people are suffering for no reason. If anyone watching from Afghan, don't worry guys, we are with you. Everything will be fine. So today I'm gonna make a poster on Afghanistan to save Afghanistan. I am drawing map of Afghanistan with a black marker. Going to use colors black, red and green. I am coloring the map of Afghanistan with black first. Now I'm going to color it with red, the half part. I'm using poster colors. Now green color. Now I'm going to write Save Afghanistan from these markers, green and red. Now I'm going to write they need our help. So guys, now what we have to do, that we have to make the logo from white paint. So guys, our drawing is ready. So guys, don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Let's pray for Afghanistan.